It. There you go. What was that, like 15 minutes maybe?
It don't take long.
It's as simple as that. F-150 is already looking so much better. Look at that. Perfect. There you go, Luke from Nice Tents. That quick. Got the F-150 build hooked up with the 2 front windows done. 18%. Perfect.
And we're not done with it yet.
We're not done with it yet, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to getting the tail lights, headlights, and is that it?
And then doing a vinyl wrap on the roof.
Vinyl wrap on the roof. So you got the tail lights, the headlights. Oh wow, those look good, dude. And then you said you wrap the top.
Yeah.
Nice. That's it. It's the second one right there. Turn to that one.
Sales and product development.
Rough country. Well, we've got a lot of lifted trucks in the rough country parking lot. Imagine that.
Shocker, right?
Yeah.
You got it. Good.
Just get on here. Just like the little tires on it.
Oh, that's the F-150 6-inch rough country reservoir, Vertex, and V2s on the back. Full bumper. Really kick spiders.
Those are the V2s that we're getting in the back.
Working here, there were 14 employees total, and that was counting the owners, sales, and everyone else working in the back to make it happen. We've grown from that to almost 300 employees. That's crazy. What we have out here is we've got 3 techs, we've got 4 guys that work in tool and die. They work together with the designers up front. So anything that comes through design comes through this shop. We put it on, make sure everything fits, and then fixture that goes to the floor. You just put that part right on it, and that robot knows where to weld it up and all that stuff.
Definitely.
The
Two's in
V2 is a monotube,
Okay.
so you can invert a V2.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It doesn't matter which position you mount the shock in.
Right.
The valving in it's a little bit stronger, but each one is built specifically for that vehicle. So if you have a Ford F-150, it's made for a Ford F-150. If you have a Tacoma, it's made for a Tacoma. You know, different. But the V2 is, we're excited about that one coming out because I think it's a really, really good application for a shock. And again, I mean, you can mount it either way.
Right, no doubt.